Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Newton's laws of motion. In this video, I will teach you Newton's second law of motion. Suppose there are two shopping carts with different masses. One cart has more mass than the other. Which shopping cart would require more force to move? If your answer is the heavier cart, then you're correct. The cart with heavier mass, in order to accelerate for moving it, will require more force than the lighter one. This explains the Newton's second law of motion. According to Newton, the force required to accelerate an object depends on its mass and the amount of acceleration we want it to acquire. That is, force is equals to mass into acceleration. This is Newton's second law of motion. Let's create a DIY project to verify the validity of Newton's second law. For this activity, we will need two triangle cardboard sheets of 25 x 18 x 16 cm, one cardboard sheet of 18 x 6 cm, one cardboard sheet of 25 x 16 cm, one cardboard sheet of 20 x 12 cm, two cardboard sheets of 9 x 3 cm, a scale, two paper cups, the outer covering of a pen, string, and a glue. You can use any glue. If you're ready with your material, so let's begin. Carry out this experiment using various objects of different masses. You will find out that the heavy mass will require more force, which is more weight in this experiment in order to move. Try out this experiment by changing masses at two sides. I hope you loved this experiment. Show some love by giving a like to the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.